everybody. Today we are going to be showing you how to stain and prep your tumbler before you get ready to glitter or do alcohol ink or whatever you're going to do to your cup. This is the 30-ounce Strawbler tumbler from Hog Outfitters, and the great thing about this cup is you can unscrew the bottom, and on the inside it has a little, it's hard to take out with my gloves on. Hang on. It has a straw that just pops out. You take the little thing out, and you can use the straw, clean it, and then it just folds right back up. Obviously, you'll have to put the other thing in there, and pops right back in the thing. A little wiggling. And then you can screw it back on the bottom and you're good to go. And with this cup, you can see maybe right here at the bottom, it just like screws right up to the bottom of the cup, so you don't have to worry about seams or anything like that when you're epoxying. And then we're going to take our lid off. Alright, so the easiest way for me that I found to do this is to use my little wand thing that I put on the tumbler and my foam, and I'll just put this on here and then go ahead and put it in the cup. Right. Now you can use whatever you want to sand this with. I just have a little piece of sandpaper that I cut in half, and you just, it sounds horrible when you're doing it, so I'm sorry for that, but you just kind of scrape it all the way around and get it sanded really good, and then we're going to clean it. So here we go. The reason that we are sanding it is you can see right here where the lines are, you can see where I've made creases in it. That's going to help your Mod Podge, epoxy, whatever you're going to use on the cup to stick to it and get a better grip than if you were to leave it, say, on this just shiny coating. So I'm going to sand the rest of the cup and then show you how I clean it. Now you can probably tell, let me get it at the right angle, all the lines in it and little cuts it made. That's going to help your epoxy or Mod Podge or whatever help everything stick to your cup better so it lasts much longer. Alright, so our next step, we're going to take some 91% alcohol, and I have mine in a little spray bottle because I actually made mine homemade, because with all this crazy COVID stuff going on, can't buy alcohol anywhere apparently. So I'll just spritz my cup all over really good, because when you sand it, it makes this gritty little stuff all over the cup, and that's why I wear gloves. You can see it's on my gloves maybe. And then you just wipe it off. You see, that's all from all the sanding. So I like to clean my cup like 2 or 3 times just to make sure you get it all off there, because you don't want it mix in with any of your paint or glitter or whatever you use. So we're going to spray it all really good again. Here's the other side. You just want to make sure you get it all good and clean. You can use a rag or paper towels. I use paper towels because that's what I have on hand right now. Alright, I think that's got it. And make sure you get your rims real good, because the alcohol helps the epoxy get right up to that edge. Alright, now the next step will be you can spray paint it, or if you want to go ahead and use Mod Podge and if you glitter that way before and not paint it, then that's totally up to you. I find that if you paint it first before you glitter, that it shows the color a lot better, because sometimes if you have like a lighter blue or lighter pink, this stainless steel shows through it a little bit, and it gives it I don't know, it just changes the color, in my opinion. Normally I spray paint them. This one I'm actually going to be painting because I'm doing another tutorial after this one. So yeah, if you've made it this far, hit the like button. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll get to them as fast as I can. Make sure you subscribe to our page, because we are new to the YouTube business, but we've been making cups for a little while. So we are going to be making lots of tutorials. I'm actually next going to be making my leopard print tutorial that I use and do the glittered leopard print with the brown and black. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.